Yes, please.
Let me add 2 quarter from the milk.
Why two? Why two?
What kind of drink?
This is we want this fight. We got creative.
Anything else?
Yes, please. One more thing.
One more quarter pounder.
One more quarter pounder on the menu, please.
Sandwich or meal?
We want the sandwich.
Anything else?
We want the sandwich with the fries. We want the meal.
Mais là, vous code monde. Qui caca ça? Et ben là, vous code men.
Well, that's it. Yes.
Drive through, please.
Thank you very much, eh?
Hey, oh, côté une petite mail. Mais c'est pas d'une quiche. Non, moi, je parle de quiche. Non, moi, je comprends pas. Non, moi, je comprends pas.
How are you? You feel my pain? Every night it's like that, right?
Excuse me, miss.
Only Thursday night. What's wrong with this guy?
Excuse me. Can you change one Sprite for me?
You can't.
I don't want the Sprite.
What you want?
Can I have a small milkshake, strawberry shake, please? Thank you.
Me say me fait mon souffrir, man.
Well,
Vous m'avez recordé, mais là,
attendez. Quarter pounder. Me say they will need 2 quarter pounder for milkshake. What's in glass là, non?
Oh, man.
Mommy, it's the big burst, alright?
He's a big boss.
Big burst.
He's not a big boss.
All right. Leave one of the quarter pounder with a milkshake.
Don't marry him. Hey, don't marry that nigga,
I kill you, man. I kill you. I'm
gonna die hard, man.
You might be walking.
I kill it.
I'm telling you, man, it's a big problem for me right now. And I'm saying every single night.
Okay, move on. Let's move on, man. We got customers.
He cannot afford that phone. That's not his phone.
We have customers. We have people waiting.
Man, you talk too much, man.
You understand your pain.
Kunya kozi na kozi asala.
Let's be
Come on.
Kunya let's be there from man. Let's be there from McDonald's.
Let's get this
From McDonald's, dible. Pa bin crash na McDonald's là, non?
Yeah, the time won't go black yet. What's the list level the
Let's see my name.
Hey, my friend, what's your number? I'm serious. Oh, but they like my love already. How you doing, sweetie? Sweetie? Wait, they boyfriend yet. I know you from somewhere.
Oh.
How you doing that? Ma'am. Just give me.
Very figure, bro.